This video is an introduction on how to use TopBridge to set up printers with the ZPL protocol for printing non-Latin script text. If you have relevant needs, such as printing in Arabic or Asian language like Japanese and Korean, then this video can serve as a reference. Before beginning the video content, I need to make something clear. This video mainly focuses on how to use TopBridge to set up font files, which has been uploaded on the printer so it can print text in non-Latin scripts. Therefore, in terms of uploading and handling these types of character files on our printer, I am here only using this printer for illustrative purposes. The process of operation could be different on printers of models and those available for sale in various regions. For more detailed information, you can reach out to your local printer dealer, who will be able to provide you with the relevant support and assistance. For installing and registering the TopBridge app, and for how to connect to and configure the printer, please refer to the other videos on this channel. We will not repeat that content here. Alright. This printer does not support printing non-Latin scripts out of the box right now, so I need to install a suitable font file that can support this type of printing. I am using a free font from Google Fonts. I will do a quick search for Japanese here, download a free font file locally, and I have already finished downloading it. Now, let's go back to the printer and upload it. For this printer, go to the Windows printer list, find this printer, and click Printer Properties. Then find Settings under Driver Settings. There is a feature called Store Files to Printer. I select the internal storage as the destination and select the downloaded Noto Sans Japanese font file as the file to upload. Click Send. Then wait for the progress bar to complete. When it finishes, that means our file is uploaded successfully. Okay, it's uploaded successfully now already. Next step. Let's confirm that the file exists in the target path. We can use Zebra provided tools to communicate with the printer. Use a ZPL command to retrieve all font files installed on this printer. You can see that the Noto Sans JP font file we selected earlier is listed here. Copy this path and file name because we will need it in the later configuration steps. At this point, the font file has been uploaded to the printer and its path and file name are shown here. Now close all the tools. Then return to the TopBridge application page. In the system tray at the bottom right, find the TopBridge app and double-click to open it. Then click Print Settings, find the corresponding Zebra printer, and set its print protocol to ZPL. For charset, use the standard UTF-8. In the font file drop-down, the font file we uploaded manually is not listed. So we can add it with a custom setting here. Click the plus button on the right side of the font file drop-down. Paste the full path and font file name we obtained from the printer, then click OK to save. Now go back to the font file drop-down. You can see the font file we added is now displayed successfully. Let's select it. With that, the printer setup is complete. Close the printer settings page and minimize TopBridge application. Let's return to the product management page. We found a label entry that contains Japanese text and clicked Print Labels. Here, select our Zebra printer for printing and choose a template, then simply click the Print button. You can see that our Japanese text has been printed correctly. Alright, the above content explains how to use our TopBridge to set up a ZPL protocol printer to print non-Latin script text.